Well, hey there, Coastal Bed, meteorologist Diamond Dixon here. Well, we're going to talk about what's a sea breeze this week in our Science Snippet because we're starting to see more of those showers, of course, popping off this summer. We've been seeing them throughout the week of our rain chances. We're getting these light pop-up showers, but they're being promoted by our sea breeze. So ideally, of course, we know that water heats up slower than land, and throughout the day, our land heats up a lot quicker, which is why our more inland neighborhoods get really hot and scorchy throughout the day, and our water takes a little bit longer to absorb all that heat, and that's why it cools off a little bit slower. But in the midst of all of this, we have the cooler ocean air that brings in this sinking air and high pressure. And air flows from high to low pressure. That's just how our atmosphere works. We keep everything in balance. The atmosphere is always looking for a piece of equilibrium. So with land heating up faster, we also have the air that rises and it creates low pressure. Now also with that, what we'll be talking about this week is the onshore and offshore breeze. And now with the sea breeze, we get the onshore breeze, and that flows in from the afternoon. And in contrast to that, we have a land breeze or offshore breeze, and that's the wind that blows in at night from the land towards a large body of water. And what are we next to? The Gulf. So that promotes a lot of heat for us. It's like a big thermostat for us that just controls all the weather that we're getting along our Texas coast and here in the coastal bed. So if you're interested in more about what's a sea breeze, what's a land breeze, onshore flow, offshore flow, you can check it out in this week's Science Snippet over on christv.com.